Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the Pactree command. So what is Pactree? So suppose if you want to install a package and you want to know the dependencies of that package, so what different packages are dependent on that package that you are going to install, or if you of that package is already installed, then you want to find out which packages are dependent on that package, or that package is dependent on which different packages, so that all those correlations between the packages can be found out using the Pactree. So Pactree will give a tree view of that package in question. So for example, I had installed the DaVinci Resolve. So DaVinci Resolve is quite big. It is around 3 GB in size and it has got lot of packages. So if I want to check out say suppose certain package is there, for example libxp is there. So if I want to check out the dependency of that libxp with DaVinci Resolve, so for that I have to issue this command sudo pactree DaVinci. So DaVinci Resolve will have a GLU package. Then there will be another package glvnd provides libgl, lib extended libx11. So these are all the graphics packages, and the libx11 will further contain the libxcb. So libxcb package is dependent or is required, or it is a dependency for the user to install libx11 package. So whenever you will install the libx11 package, this package is required, and libx extended will also require the libx11. So this is all the dependency you can see here. And further, if you want to install the libglvnd, so that will require the libgl, and libgl will require this package will require the libx11, and libx11 will require libxcb. So these are all the dependencies in a tree format. You can see it here. And the packages on the same level, so those are not dependent on each other, but they will be required to install the package on the higher hierarchy. So these are all the base packages, you can say, and these are the higher packages. So the higher packages installation will require all these base packages to make it work perfectly. So something like this is there. So you can understand, say if you are building a ISO, say I want to build a Arch ISO. For that also you require the knowledge of this all packaging. So if you want to become master of packaging, so you require this knowledge. So this knowledge can be easily obtained using this Pactree command. So Pactree command will show you all the packaging dependencies for a big package, and also it will show the interdependencies of the base packages on each other, if it is there or it is not there. So the Mesa package is also a graphics package, and the Mesa package contains a lot of packages. You can see it here. All these are all the packages that are available in the Mesa. So everything is dependent on each other. So for example, the Z standard package will require glibc, gcc, -libs, zlib, xz, and the lz4. So the xz and the lz4 are the algorithms that are required for the Z standard to work. You can see here. Separately, lz4 also requires glibc. xz requires the bash or the shell package. You can see it here. The core utils is totally independent. You can see it here. It is not it doesn't require any other packages. It is self-dependent, but it is required to install the Mesa. The first, the curl is required. So curl will require the, which was the package we are seeing just a moment, the core utils here. So the curl will require the core utils, and the curl further, you can see it here, it is required for the libelf, and the elf library will further require the Mesa. So Mesa, if you want to install, all these packages have to be installed. So they are all interdependent. So this is nothing but it shows all the interdependencies between the different packages. So you can use this command whenever you want to know the interdependencies between the different packages of the system. So you can also use not just system, application packages also it will show, system package also it can show. So there will be some other command to check out the system, or maybe it is there, but for this video we are checking out the package dependencies using Pactree for the application package, that is the DaVinci Resolve. You can try it for the system package also, it will show you the result, or if it doesn't show, that we will cover in another video. So I will do a separate video for that later on, maybe next year. So I am trying to bring out the different facets of the Linux operating system to you. Many things I also am doing for the first time, many things I already know, and I'm trying to bring it to the users, especially the freshers who are learning Linux in their college. So they will find this very useful. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.